Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mongai Kihala. Today we are in Old Lake Villas Estate. This is an estate that is located exactly 3 kilometers from Kikuyu town and exactly 600 meters from the tarmac. The estate contains 4-bedroom all-ensuite villas, each with a print area of 234 square meters. The price of this home starts from 9.9 million up to 13.5 million. This development has 3 parts. This is the first part and it's already sold out. The second part is also sold out, but I'll show you one of the units as we have a conversation with one of the property advisors, and his name is Mr. Geoffrey Joroge. Mr. Geoffrey.
How are you doing, sir?
How are you?
Thank you very much.
Welcome to African Real Estate.
Thank you very much for having us.
We love this estate. It looks nice.
Thank you very much.
Tell us more about it.
So, Old Lake Villas is located in Kikuyu, Undiri, 3 kilometers, 2.5 to 3 kilometers to Kikuyu town.
Okay.
So here we are doing 4 bedrooms, all ensuite, villas with accessible rooftop.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any other project that you are doing around here?
Yeah, we have a project that we are doing bungalows due to the demand. We are doing bungalows, 26 of them, like 300 meters from here, all ensuite with a detached DSQ at 165 square meters.
What is the price of the 3-bedroom bungalows?
The 3 bedrooms are going for 7.5.
Okay.
Yeah. If we have some time, you should pass by there.
Of course, I'll have to take them there.
Okay. Yes.
I can see your shirt is written Home by Sang.
Yes.
Please tell our viewers, who is Home by Sang?
So Homes by Sang is the developer behind these 2 projects, the projects I have talked to you about.
Okay.
Yes, we have done the first part. We are doing the second part over there, down here, and we are doing our third face opposite.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you'll get to see that. I'll take you around.
So the same developer is doing the other estate on the other side?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
As we have said, this development has 3 parts. The first part is complete and sold out. This is the second part. It's in progress, but it's also sold out. What we are selling right now is the third part, and it's on this side. But in the meantime, I'm going to take you to one of the units, and you'll get a glimpse of how these units will look like. Come with me. Each unit is constructed on a 50 by 100 lot like this one, and each home will come with a 3-car parking, and on my right hand side you have an entrance porch that welcomes you to the house. I'll take you inside. This home is 80% complete. The other sections left will require your contribution for the perfect customization. As you can see, this living room comes with a big window on this side, and we have 2 picture windows on the opposite side. I like how the developer has dealt with this space that is next to the stairs. This space makes this living room look very beautiful. On my far front, you have the dining area of this home, and I like it that the living room opens to the dining area, and the dining area opens to the kitchen next to it. This hallway will take you to the common bathroom and the guest bedroom. The dining space is massive for your nuclear family, and if you live with the extended family, this space will be sufficient. The dining area opens to the kitchen. If you have someone in the family who likes cooking, this will be the best space for them. The kitchen is massive with ample space for all your cooking activities. The kitchen comes with a massive window here and a metal casement transparent door. This is the pantry of this kitchen, and this door will lead you to the laundry area and the kitchen garden. This kitchen will come with upper and lower cabinets. I'll take you to the guest bedroom. When I was going through your portfolio of properties, I've seen that you have houses starting from 9.5 million up to 13.5 million. Yeah. Which houses are going for 9.5 million and why?
The first thing I would say is that we carried out a survey to assist us and guide us in terms of supply versus demand. Okay. So a lot of guys want to reside in Kikuyu. Okay. But so the thing is, we have that bracket where you are able to customize your house from the 9.95 going all the way to the 13.5.
Before we get into the guest bedroom, which is this, I like it that the common bathroom utilizes the space under the stairs. That's very thoughtful. The guest bedroom will be sufficient and big enough for all your guests, and its closet will be on this side. Its bathroom is on my left-hand side. The guest bathroom is of a standard size, and it will come with its washroom area on this side, and on my right-hand side, you'll have the shower cubicle. I'll take you upstairs. On the first level, you have the primary bedroom and the 2 kids' bedrooms. The primary bedroom is on my right-hand side, and today we start with it. On the other hand, from the survey of many Kenyans, it's not so many people who can afford 9.5 million or 13.5 million. So which payment plans do you have to favor the Kenyans that we have here?
So the payment plans come in terms of cash. This is where you purchase the house one time.
Okay.
Yeah. And then there is the installment where you pay a deposit of 3 million.
Okay.
And then we have a flexible payment plan for 12 months.
Okay.
You know. But the good thing with us is that we are flexible and we are custom making the plan for the customer so that it fits them. Simply ask, in terms of wanting to own a house, how do you plan on paying it? Okay. So that we are able to customize a payment plan for you that is effective and works according to your financial abilities.
Okay.
Yes.
The primary bedroom is the biggest. It comes with 3 massive windows, and this is where you have your closets. On my left hand side, you have its bathroom, and next to it, you have its balcony. As you can see, this space is sufficient for you and your partner. I'll show you the bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it will come with a bathtub, a double vanity, a shower cubicle, and a washroom area next to it. As you can see from there, this bathroom comes with 2 big windows. I'll show you the balcony. The balcony will give you the best views to the front side of the estate. And from here, you'll never stop admiring the beauty of this development. I'll take you back inside. I have seen that your part 1 is already sold. Yes. The second part is already sold, but the units are not complete. Yes. But you've told me that you are not doing an off-plan method. Yes. Tell us about your model and tell us about the customization and any other detail about the model.
So for us, before we started doing this house, we are driven mostly by market research. Okay. And the market research said that most people would buy either off-plan or a ready product. And then once you purchase the property, you will have now to customize it. If it's the tiles, if it's the paintwork, you feel you don't want. And for us, we felt like that is a big burden on the customer, simply because they spend more than they should. Number 2 is that there is wastage. Yeah. For instance, you have bought, we have installed for you tiles at a budget of 250,000. Okay. You came and removed the tiles. So this is 250,000 lost. That is lost. Yeah, yeah. So for us, we are doing the mid-plan model. Okay. And the mid-plan model basically operates in a way that we build the shell of the house. Okay. Yeah, and now the customer comes in and assists in terms of the interior, just to customize and visualize a house. Because for us, we are building a house, but once the customer is part of that journey, it becomes a home. Because we transform a house into a home for the client.
Have you heard, guys? There is a difference between a home and a house. From the primary bedroom, let's see the second bedroom. The second bedroom is big enough for your young adults, and its closet will be done here. On my right hand side, you have this door that takes you to the balcony of this bedroom. This bedroom comes with its bathroom here, and this bathroom is just similar to the one that I showed you in the guest bedroom. I'll show you the first bedroom. The first bedroom is just next to the second one. The first bedroom is the smallest, and it's exactly the same size as the guest bedroom. This room is targeting the smaller kids, and it will come with its closet on this side. On this side, you have its bathroom. The bathroom is exactly the same size to the one that we saw in the guest bedroom. From here, I'll take you to the upper level. Mr. Geoffrey, assuming a client comes to this estate and want to buy a house, what is the period that will the client wait before his or her house is complete? And after that, what are the after-sale services that you do to the clients after they do purchase the house? Okay.
So for us, our mid-plan model involves us having a skeleton of the
Of the home?
Of the actual home.
Okay.
So the customer will come in and the house will take between, from construction, 12 to 13 months. So 2 months will be used to raise the shell. The customer will come in and then now we'll do the customization together as they do their flexible payment plan. So we are able to walk the journey together. From there, in terms of management of the common areas, before the estate is able to formulate a management company that is going to be assisting them in carrying out those duties. Yes.
On this level, you have the roof deck. Add an extra bathroom for any other activities that you may be doing on this area. The roof deck covers a space of around 90 square meters, and from here you'll get the best views of Kikuyu localities, and this roof deck can be used for your meetings, or you can create a gazebo here for your relaxation. On this side, you get the best views of the estate, and from this side, you'll get the coolest breezes from the forestry in Kikuyu area. The extra bathroom is here, and that's all for this roof deck. What are the future prospects of the company?
In the future, we foresee doing a lot of developments. And we are going to do the 4th phase. On that side, there's still more land. Yeah, we are doing bungalows, 26 of them.
On the other
just
side?
like 300 meters from here. Yeah, and we foresee a lot of growth. There is a lot of land. Yeah, and there is a lot of demand for housing. So we want to be a major player in the housing sector.
Very nice. So if they do something else, or if they do something new, I'll keep you updated, guys. So that's all for today, and thank you very much, Mr. Geoffrey, for your time.
Yeah, sure.
You are welcome again.
Yeah, thank you. You should come more often.
If you have made it up to this part of the video, I'm very sure you have heard everything about this estate. That's all for today, and as always, never stop watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye.